morning everyone. Well, this is Ravi Prasad, Senior Botany Lecturer. Last 22 years I am working in various famous institutions in various colleges. Now we are discussing about very important aspects in flower. Flower is a modified shoot and flower is a reproductive organ in angiospermic plants. Generally, flower is a modified shoot. Flower equal to either stem or shoot, modified shoot. And in generally, flower is consist of 4 pods, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. These 4 pods are present. It is called complete flower. If anyone is lack, it is called incomplete flower. If flower is consist of both androecium and gynoecium, male and female sex organ, it is bisexual flower. Any one sex organ is present, it is called unisexual flowers. So incomplete flowers having only one sex organ, bisexual flowers having both male and female sex organs. You know very well. But the flower has 2 parts or 2 ends. How to identify these flower has 2 ends means, you know very well. On peduncle, floral axis is present. It is called as a peduncle. The flower is developed on peduncle like a small leaf-like structure is called bract. So in bract axil, the flowers are developed. The flower having a long stalk-like part is called pedicel. On tip of the pedicel, the flower is present. So this is the stalk-like part of flower is called pedicel. And this is the flower. So flower has 2 ends or 2 parts. Number 1, towards the bract side is called anterior end or anterior side. This is the peduncle or main axis. Towards the main axis side is called posterior side or end. Okay, so flower has 2 parts. For suppose this is the flower and it having 2 parts. Towards the main axis side is called posterior. The posterior part is indicating a dot. A small dot is indicating the posterior side. Towards the base, the bract is present. The base of the flower is called anterior side. Clear? This is the today we are important topic. So flower has 2 parts or 2 ends. Towards the main axis side is called posterior side. It represents a dot. Towards the bract side is called anterior. So simply P and A is the identification of taxonomy. It is a very important in taxonomic floral diagram development. Thank you.